The decisions you make about your biologics candidates early in the pipeline ultimately affect their success as therapeutics. The combination of sizing and stability information offers valuable insight into the viability of your protein-based biologic candidates, enabling you to select the best ones for further development. The technologies inside the Prometheus Panta provide high-quality sizing and stability information about your candidates that enables better pipeline decisions. Thermal stability is used as a predictor of the long-term viability of a candidate. Nano-DSF or nano-differential scanning fluorimetry is used to monitor protein unfolding. When a thermal gradient is applied to a protein, tryptophan residues become exposed to solvent. This changes their light emission properties. The fluorescence ratio shift shows the melting temperature, or TM, at which half the protein sample is folded and half is unfolded. It also helps you determine the temperature where unfolding begins, or the T onset. Ranking TMs and T-ons helps you determine which candidates are the best for development. As you're developing high-quality biologics for therapeutics, it's important to avoid samples with aggregation, as they are less effective and often toxic. When a protein aggregates out of solution, it loses its structure and function, and causes the solution to become turbid or cloudy. Turbidity is measured with back reflection technology. When light enters a solution of properly folded proteins, most of it passes through. The light bounces off a mirror and returns to the detector. Large amorphous aggregates deflect the light away from the path. This reduces the amount that returns to the detector. Turbidity indicates instability. It's ranked using the onset of turbidity, or T-turb. The higher the onset value, the more stable your candidate is. Dynamic light scattering tells you about the size and dispersity of your particles. These are indicators of the quality of your protein biologic. High-quality biologic samples contain well-folded proteins of uniform sizes or are monodisperse. Particles in solutions are constantly moving. When a light is shone on the solution, they deflect the light as they pass through the beam. The rate of fluctuation of the deflected light is related to their movement. Small particles move faster and the light fluctuates faster. With DLS, you learn the size of your individual particles and whether there's a mixture of particles of different sizes. Multiple particle sizes indicate an impure and therefore inferior prep. The autocorrelation function, or ACF, is the raw data used for DLS size determination. It gives you insight on how your prep is behaving and enables you to evaluate the quality of your data. The ACF is a delay function that reflects the likelihood a particle will be in the same place over time. Once the ACF is built from the DLS data, a program calculates a fit. If a solution is monodisperse, that is, has particles of only one size, the size is calculated using the cumulant radius fit. For polydispersed samples with a mixture of particle sizes, a size distribution fit is applied. Applying the proper fit ensures you are making the best decision about your candidates. Static light scattering tells you about molecular weight, complex formation, and self-interaction, which are important considerations when it comes time to scale up your biologic. Particles deflect light with some intensity. The intensity is dependent on particle size. Larger particles scatter more light. The intensity of the scattered light is used to find the average molecular weight of all particles in solution and informs on their propensity to interact with each other. When your particles are prone to self-association, they're more likely to aggregate or cause viscosity issues for clinical administration. The Prometheus Panta combines these technologies to give you a full stability profile of your biologic candidates. Make better, more efficient decisions about your biologics with high-quality sizing and stability data from Prometheus Panta.